Hello guys, turuan ko kayo ng chords ng I Saw Her Standing There by Beatles guys. Bali ganito ang chords guys, oh. A, E as in elephant. Sunod A as in apple. Sunod E as in echo. Sunod B7 as in D7. Sunod E ulit, E as in echo. Sunod A as in apple. Sunod C as in kulot. So next is E as in echo. Sunod B7 ulit. B7, sunod E na naman. Paulit-ulit lang tayo guys. Yun lang. Ganun lang yung chord. Simple lang yun. Okay, subukan natin awitin yung first stanza ng I Saw Her Standing There by Beatles guys. Okay, makinig kayo guys. She was just 17. You know what I mean. By the way she looked, sway beyond compare. So I'll go and dance with another. Oh, when I saw her standing there. Ganun lang guys, paulit-ulit lang yung guys. Ganun lang kasimple tayo guys. Thank you guys.